Today we talk about how can you log out of your account on your Champions League app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in first, you just go above your photo profile, click on it. So then it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this here. Then it's going to take you to this profile. You will find here logout. You just click on it. So when you just click here on logout, so automatically here it's going to take you out here on your Champions League app. So that's all you have to do to log out of your account on your Champions League app. That's all. I wish you are great. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.